tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you this website. The website name is Autobitcoin. From this website you can just earn from short links. Okay, you can claim your short links and you can make much more bunch of amount from this website. Okay, and the way you earn it is just watching the short links. Okay, I have much more amount. I just click withdraw. This website just pay you in faucet pay for right now. If you earn any cryptocurrency like this one or like other cryptocurrency, just exchange that all cryptocurrency to one cryptocurrency that pays on faucet pay. Okay, right now I want to withdraw my Litecoin. You can see this much is my Litecoin. I just click withdraw. Okay, I just select the faucet pay. Okay, I put my email address in faucet pay. You can see total withdrawal is this much. Right now I'm withdrawing this much too. I just click max solve, click solve a capture. You can choose any capture you want, just click it, solve it, and just click withdrawal. Okay, wait few seconds. This website pay you instantly to your faucet pay. You can see pay me. I'm right now in my faucet pay. I come down in here to show you the withdrawal proof. You can see this website send me my amount instantly to my faucet pay. Thanks for watching, guys. This website link available in description. You can start earning from this website, and bye bye for now.